Why should you learn a computer skill? Because present and upcoming future job opportunity depend on it. So in this video, I am going to talk about what are a job opportunity in computer field. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everything is going great on your side. Welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Professor G. My name is Manoj. I am a computer engineer by profession. Apart from my job, I am also content creator. I love writing blogs and making useful YouTube videos. My mission statement is a simple: computer skill for everyone. So in this channel, I am going to share about everything about my experience and knowledge with you. So before I start, please subscribe to my channel Computer Professor G. So let's get started. In the previous video, I have talked about career planning and guidance. But in this video, I'm going to talk about what are job opportunity in computer field. Why this topic? Because I believe that there are so many talented students in our society, they miss out big opportunity. Because of what? Because of lack of awareness, lack of guidance, and lack of access to the source. So I will share everything about right resource and right skill set in the upcoming video. My simple statement about talent. Talent respects only with right time, right skill set, and right location. So come to the point. What are job opportunity in computer field? There are huge job opportunity in computer field as compared to other field. The first, government job opportunity in different sectors like banking sectors, teaching sector, healthcare, and other government official job. And the second, international job opportunity in global market. And the third, private job opportunities. And the fourth, remote work opportunity, work from home. And the fifth, freelancing job opportunity. And the sixth, start your one business within a minimum budget. And teaching job in college, university, or private coaching center and online teaching options. In almost every sector job opportunity available. And the last, the present and the future job opportunity depend on the computer skills. But many more. But without computer skills, there are very few job opportunities. Just like a government specific job like army job, there is a no need computer skill. And second, agriculture job, no need computer skill. And the third, traditional job opportunity, traditional teaching job. And the last option, go abroad for labor job. Thank you. In conclusion, computer skill is a basic skill for all, just like reading, writing. That's why my mission is computer skill for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share it with your friends, colleagues or classmates. Thank you. See you in the next video.